Alrighty, here we are for our fair race. Lassen County Fair having their events going on. You can see a little bit. Went back over there over the fence. Zoom out a little bit. But something kind of neat we got for a special thing tonight. Little mini sprints. I'm not sure. I think they're probably going to be kiddo sprints. So that'll be kind of cute. I'm going to be curious if they go around the big track or if they're going to set them up to go around a smaller track there on the infield. We are also supposed to have a destruction derby during the intermission. So stay tuned for that. So backside of turn 2, got a decent amount of cars back over here. So I had a little bit of a mild, good sprinkling, mild rainstorm come through a few days ago, so stuff is greening up again real quick. So you can see some street stock, some IMCA stocks, modifieds. Looks like I want to say it's a mini. That might be a derby car though. It's going to be kind of the tricky part with some of these. Is it a mini or a derby car? So it is definitely warm out today. Have my cool towel on, keep these things wet. They do pretty good. Keep my hat wet. I did actually get some heat exhaustion a couple weeks ago and learned some new things. So stay hydrated. Biggest thing, stay hydrated. Actually, I want to go over and check out this car over here. Love the scheme on it. We got our own little Lightning McQueen. Love the Lightning McQueen theme. It's actually kind of funny because actually earlier today we had my little one Lowell watching the Cars movies, so that's even funnier. Crazy Kate and Spider-Man theme. I actually just watched Madam Web the other night with the wife. Wasn't terrible. Seemed like it was more kind of a beginning of their story. Still learning and discovering. So I got the bleachers over here. It is about an hour before showtime, so there is still going to be a few cars that are showing up. Let's see, we got, looks like probably a derby car coming in. So we'll catch up down there. Alrighty, we're back. Black Bear Diner. I used to work at a Black Bear Diner a long time ago. IMCA and a mini. Mini IMCA. Got some more back over here. Got a little windsock up there telling us which ways the wind's coming from. Imagine it might help some of them to have more of an idea of how the track will be set up. So I got another derby car coming in. So you driving this one tonight? You driving this one tonight? Yeah. Okay. So we got Jason Emmett's car and Colton Shoes driving tonight. Yep. Alrighty. So is this a different chassis and everything compared to your normal car?
Sort of, yeah, a little bit.
So, okay, so it'll be a good learning experience then. Okay. Have to keep an eye on them, see how it does. all socked up over there. Keep the tires from drying out. It's like a mini stock with the roll cage in there. I will admit, I do love the color scheme that's on that thing.
We're gonna share a car.
Kenmore team. Nice clean. Don't know if that's a stock or IMCA. I'm gonna guess a stock. Robles over here. Foreman. I hear that. Let's see, I think we got, I don't know if we have any more cars over here. Walk mug. Yeah, we got a couple more. Oh, we got the father-son team. Jeff Oshefka and the 10-year-old, I think. So there you go, and you got more of the fair going on back over that way. So let's head up this way. Wonder if they know that tire's back there. So you can see all the tires there on the infield. That's going to be where they have the demo derby. They'll probably move a couple of them for the carts, unless the carts run on the big track out here, which that is a possibility. I have seen that. So see a few more of the rides over here. So that's been your look at the it's warm out pits for the fair race this year, July 21st. So it's got a few cars, decent car count, got a couple of new classes in there. So stay tuned. Don't forget, go to Pete's Factory afterwards to watch the premiere of the races immediately after. So we'll see you guys there. Catch you later. Keep them shiny side up.